It's very important to me to share with you what type of aluminum foil that I'm using here. I'm using a non-oiled aluminum foil. Now if you go to any type of culinary store, there's two types of aluminum foil. There's one that's pre-greased if you're making cookies. This is a regular one. See, you can hear the sound that my skin is making on there. Okay, there is a metallic side and there's a dull side. Look for this one. You can get this at any dollar store. So today I'm using a 6 type of spray paint lineup. I'm using a navy blue number 340, a light blue number 320, another aqua light blue number 327, a more rich blue at 326, a green, which I don't have a number on here, but I like it's a medium green, and I'm also using a 328 rich navy. And today's glitter I'm using today is from a company called Stampin' Stuff. It is an embossing powder. It's called Starry Night, and it has an opaque finish to it. You can use any type of very microfine black, multicolored rainbow glitter you can find. The smaller the better, the more microfine you can find. Michael's Craft has this. You can also get this at Amazon. Now I've got my newspaper laid down. I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil now, and I'm going to crinkle them up in a stone shaped ball, and make sure you get as many angles in there as possible. Let's make about 3 or 4 of these guys, huh? This is a lot of fun actually. Just making up different shaped stones. Putting down 3 or 4 of these little guys on there. Let's start spraying them up. The first layer we're going to do is a dark navy. Okay, I've got a mask on too, so we're going to spray up these with a dark, wow, that's kind of cool. I'm going to do a scrape with a dark metallic navy here. I am using a 328 today. And I just turned those over. Let me do the other side. Spray them quite generously. We want that metallic look to come through. It's 85 degrees outside here, so this is going to dry instantaneously. My next color down is another blue, dark blue. Whoops. Turn that over. You want to make sure you coat the whole stone. Different color blue. Let's put on the 326 blue here. Another, just using, oh, interesting. Yeah, keep that dark on this side. Yep, here's a spot. I like that one. Yeah, different color. Very light now. Let's go down another color. Now I'm spraying with a 320 blue, and I'm going to just do a little misting spray here. I'm barely touching it. Turn the stones over. Make sure they have different colorations on them. There, like that. Yeah. Still while wet. Let's go down to a 327 aqua, same type of misting. Just barely touch it. You can see the different tones and colors. It looks just like the prop in the movie. And I'll leave it like that. Let's go down one more color. My final color today, I'm using a green. I'm just misting this. You hear the mourning dove in the background. Just barely touching it and spraying it. with the green creates little Jackson Pollock dots and dashes on there, and we are almost done. Let's put the glitter on. Today I'm using a holographic black glitter. It's called Starry Night by Stampin' Stuff. We're going to apply this on here. Now the wetness of the spray paint will be the glue for the glitter.